The bamboo workshop is all about bamboo, because you need to know many species of them, and you need to know how to treat them before you bring it to be construction, and you can know how to cut them. So after you know everything about them, you can make something with them from your design. So I can teach you how to make everything from bamboo and prepare your tool and the technique that you can build something back home. So the schedule of a workshop is mean 4 hours, start from 10 to 2. You can have some tour and know about the species of bamboo in the first hour. And then the second hour, I will show you many kind of technique and what the benefit of bamboo. And then you can cut bamboo with yourself. So it's a nice experience. Second hour, you can design your own piece of work. You can try to make something from bamboo. I give you the paper and pencil, so you can design your own way to use bamboo and make something. And then we go to have lunch. So lunch is always cooked by homemade and vegetarian. So it's very healthy. Most of vegetarian we collect from our organic farm. If you're lucky, you can try to taste the bamboo shoot. And the last hour, you will finish your work and you will know the technique of cutting, and then you will know the technique that build everything. Maybe like some handwork or some saw or machete or some skill that you can develop from this plant. You can book by online. You can contact us with WhatsApp or email, or you can contact in the Facebook page, and also you can directly call me in Thai number is the display on the website. All the information is in the text below. Or you need to book 1 day before, so we will prepare the fruit and lunch for you. It's not like an instant book. You can come today to look and then feel about your workshop and observe, but you need to do workshop tomorrow. Like you need to book 24 hours before.